Libra, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong love life reading for March 2026. General reading, pwede ka makarelate, pwedeng hindi, just take what resonates. Another reminder, I will not message you or follow you para mag-offer ng services ha. Mag-ingat ka sa mga fake accounts and scammers. And also, you don't have to message me. Kapag sinabi nung video, kapag sinabi sa account na i-message kayo, i-message nyo sila, hindi ako yon, okay? Do not message me. For private readings, just go to my website, mrqueenph.com, or mag-book ka directly sa aking calendar. Yung link nasa description or sa comment section. Especially on TikTok, guys, marami nagnanakaw ng videos ko. Nagpapanggap na Mr. Queen PH. Mag-ingat kayo dyan. Hindi po ako yon, scammer po yan, okay? So, let's see. Libra singles for March. You have the Strength card. Okay. Some of you, meron na kayong nakakausap ngayon or may potential, nagtatry, nagpapa-impress, nagpapapansin sa inyo. Oo. But I think for some of you, naghahanap kayo ng parang wow moment sa person na to kung talaga bang deserve niya yung attention mo. Oo. Para kasing meron ditong mabagal kumilos. Oo. Or you feel like this person is not stable enough para magkaroon kayo ng serious relationship. So, I think for some of you, kung single ka ngayon, meron mang opportunity for relationship, medyo mataas yung standards mo eh. Oo. So, kung wala talagang papantay sa standards mo, wag na lang muna. Ganon. Okay, so sa mga naman, in a relationship na Libra, what is the energy? Ibig sabihin, you are connecting with someone, situationship. Let's see. For Libra in a relationship March 2026. Oh, okay. I think some of you medyo meron ditong complicated situation ha. Meron yung iba sa inyo, meron na kayong connection, certain connection, pwedeng bago pa lang tong connection na to, you are getting to know this person, pero meron ng commitment, no? Or napapunta na doon yung relationship ninyo. And then, meron nakiki-extra na person from your past who's trying to connect with you, who's trying to, work things out with you, especially na nakikita ka ngayon na meron ka ng bago. So, medyo complicated, no? For some of you, Libra, dahil may eksena na person from the past. Kaya lang, ang issue lang dito is, kung na ba talaga, over ka na dun sa past mo. Naka-get over ka na ba? Naka-move on ka na ba? Kasi, yung iba sa inyo mukhang may feelings pa kayo dito sa past. 'Di ba? Maraming possibilities. Yung iba sa inyo confused at this time. You just want to, give it a try, itong new person na to. But, ewan ko ha, medyo magiging complicated to for some of you. The devil. Yeah, meron pang strings attached. So, some of you you are connecting with someone, new person, tinitingnan mo na pwedeng may potential tong connection na to. But here comes the energy of your past. Trying to come back sa buhay mo. And ngayon na-confuse ka na kasi may feelings ka pa sa past. So, ang ending nito, parang lalabas tuloy, ikaw yung nagloloko dito sa new person mo. May nagsusorry kasi, siguro na-realize ng person mo from the past yung iyong halaga, yung worth mo. Now this person is saying sorry. But, I don't know, ikaw pa rin na magde-decide in the end if sino ang pipiliin mo rito. But I think, mas gusto mo pa rin yung past eh. Yun nga lang, you have to unfair lang dito sa bagong person kasi 'di ba, kung hindi niya alam na gano'n yung sitwasyon, nagsasayang lang rin siya ng energy sa'yo pag gano'n. Oh, 'di ba? Oh my God. Honesty is essential. Speak with love and truth. Oh, be true to yourself. Kung mahal mo pa si past, edi kay past ka. Kung hindi ka sigurado dito sa bago, be true to this person. Okay? Be fair. So that is your reading, Libra. Thank you so much. See you again.